it's Eugenia from Art Meltemi Atelier, and today we're gonna be making the bird of paradise flower. uh, and another find at my walks. As I was walking up and down the street the other day, I found this beautiful flower, and I thought that it would be a great idea to put it our on our wall or on a card, or you can do whatever you feel like with this artwork. So I've made my sketch. I have make a printable version on the description down below, so you can print it if you feel like to sketch it. And now what I'm doing, I'm removing the most of the graphite, so it's not gonna show up a lot. No, normally I am actually drawing it with watercolor pencils. I don't know why now I got out of this habit the last few times. Anyway, so I've got my sketch ready, typed on my clipboard. I've talked about them. They're very handy because I can have them just anywhere in my studio, ready to be painted, and they can hold actually two. I can have one here and another one here, which I don't have anything ready for now. And so they're really handy. The paper I'm using today, it is the Strathmore 500 series hot press, 3x7 inch size. It's pre-cut. It's great for putting it straight on the frame. I've got my 2 jars of clean water. I've got a few brushes here and some other ones that they're floating from yesterday. I'm generally going to use, I think this size would be good. And we'll start with this one. We'll see how it goes. It's a very small and kind of slim design. I've got my Daniel Smith colors from the other day. I was doing the color wheels for the warm and cool and cold primaries. So I am gonna be using whatever is here, and then I can always add more. Clean paper towel, and that's it. We're ready to go. Yeah, all my lights are on. Sometimes I forget the lights, and I'm recording, don't I? Yes. Sometimes I'm talking to myself and I don't record. That is a bit of annoying when I find out. But no, I'm recording right now. It's good, and I will put the image on the screen on the video, so you will be able to see the colors. So I will start with the orange. It's got some pretty bright orange, this flower. And now I think we are very close to the to complete this paradise bird. We'll just add a little bit gouache for highlights here and there, and it's pretty close to the end. So I hope you enjoy this little painting. You can print the actual drawing if you don't feel like do your own sketch today. So yeah, you can just print it and color along with me. So the colors that I used, I didn't use many different colors. Basically orange, Hansa yellow. This one I think it is it's like a cadmium or orange here, and then I created and then I have a blue. Ultramarine would be perfect, and from those three I can make some dark greens, and I might put actually a little bit magenta or anything purpley pink that you have. Yeah, and that's about it. Very simple. Well, there's a few colors. So if you enjoy this little painting, please don't forget to like the video. Thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. So we'll be in touch with more paintings in the future. And click the notification button, you know how it goes, so you don't miss any of my videos that I'm gonna be loading, because we're gonna be doing quite a bit, all sort of little things. It's gonna be like paintings like now, some more structured videos for how to, with techniques, color theory techniques for watercolors. We're going to be using also pastels, the soft pastels. We'll be doing drawing through the fundamentals maybe a little bit later on. Color pencils. Yeah, we're going to be doing lots of different kind of art. Also some reviews for some products. So yeah, it will be a little something for everybody. But yeah, don't that's why I'm saying yep, click the notification button so you can check, see if that video is interesting for you. If it is, you come and watch it. If it's a medium that you're not very interesting, okay, you don't come and watch it. But you know, sometimes some people like only one kind of medium, like only watercolors or only acrylics, and they don't try other mediums. yeah, it is good to get out of your comfort zone and try different mediums, because sometimes you find some of them you would really like them, and if you don't try, you will not know. To be honest, I was like this with the watercolors. I used to paint in oil, lots of charcoal and oil painting and drawing, and some pastels. Yeah, I like the pastels, because pastels basically it is drawing with color. So yeah, I was like that. I never tried the watercolors because I had the impression that it's difficult for me. So they don't forgive me if I do a mistake. That's it. I can't fix it. So I was happy to go with the oil. That if I was mucking it up, that's fine. I was going over it, no problem. Till I decide one day to get out of my comfort zone and try the watercolors, and guess what? Since then, I am in love with them. Yeah, totally. I absolutely love them. I haven't. Yeah, I have to admit that I have neglected a little bit my oils, which is not good. I have to go back to it. But yeah, so unless you try something you won't know, and the best way to try it is watch. If you watch, you that's how I have. I know how to use this. I've learned how to use this medium by watching, because I didn't have time and space at the time to practice. So I've done lots of watching, and once I got them, I felt like if I was always using them. Okay, it did help to have the background of drawing and an oil. That obviously it was the fundamentals were there. What am I doing now? I'm ruining it, don't I? Because I'm touching it too much. Yeah, this is where I don't get it right. Just I put this bright green here. Now I have to tone it down a little bit. Just try to mute it. And after all, it is forgiving. Look how easily I lift it. Wow. And these are the Daniel Smith. Normally they don't lift it for me, but maybe it has to do with the paper. So I'm still learning little kind of okay, here I need under the highlight, not the dark. Also I'm gonna be doing a lot of for mini palettes, how to make mini palettes from basically nothing. So my next video might be making a mini palette for plain air watercolor, obviously, from an old spiral notebook. So yeah, it will be all different kind of things. Okay, I have to stop touching it, please. Somebody stop me. Always see something. And normally that's what I have to do. I just have to stop and put it away. I have to force myself to stop and put it away. Otherwise I will keep on touching it. And then I make it tired. Which means I'm ruining it. That's it, done. Stop touching. Right. And that's it. Let's put the little initials somewhere here. Put down the brushes. I will wash. Take off the masking. And there we go. Here we have ready our little bird of paradise plant. Apparently it is it's from Africa, I think, this plant, which I didn't know. Yeah, it is a very pretty one. So there we go. Our painting for today is completed. And thank you very much for watching me. Hope I will see you soon at my next video. Till then, be happy, be creative, and keep painting. Bye for now.